Hi, welcome to My Urban Redneck. So today what I'm going to do is build some small projects out of some of my scrap wood, and hopefully they turn out good and maybe inspire others. But I got inspiration from other woodworkers out there that I watch. One Bearded Viking, 731 Woodworks, Matthew Peach. You guys are the best out there. Keep up the great work, and let's do some small projects. All right. Hey, I also wanted to give a shout out to my buddy BT. He has a landscaping business, Just Right Landscaping. So give him a call. He'll do a good job. Good prices too. All right, let's get to building. All right, so I have this, let's see, it's 7 1/4 by 29 inches, 3/4 board, or 1-inch board, sorry. Making something with it. I'm thinking maybe wall sconce, something like that. So, all right, got to figure it out. It's all, nothing's planned. Just going to do it from my head. So let's do wall sconce, 7 inches. I'm going to try to get at least, well, definitely one out of this. I want to try to get two, at least two of them, and then get a couple other scraps here. Maybe you know, put it together. But I'm going to try and make it all out of this, just this one. All right, here we go. All right, so far, this is what I got. Not bad, I guess. All right, time to glue it. A little bit more cutting, but you'll see. All right, so far, still not done, but this is it so far. All right, this, gonna have it like this. Gonna try to have a shelf right here. Gonna do some sanding, something we all hate, but hey. All right, gonna make it smooth. All right, so far, just gotta finish it. Nice little sconce with a little shelf. Let's burn it now. All right, well, looks like I can't put a finish on it. I ran all out. Don't have any left in stock. So, just got my paint up there. That's about it. And nothing else over here. All right, so this is it. And there we go. Little wall sconce. Can't really tell from the wood in the back, but hey, not too bad. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.